Trace boards are a tried and true learning tool. These boards can help develop rewriting skills, fine muscle skills, wrist agility, hand-eye coordination, letter and number recognition, spelling, and more, based on the Maria Montessori teaching method. What the hand does, the mind remembers. To use the boards, ask the child what a letter or number is. The child then traces with the stylus. After tracing, ask the child what the color is. The child then answers. Letter boards have upper and lowercase letters front and back. Number boards have numbers front and back. And the name boards can be customized. Single-sided with just one name, or double-sided with a first name on the front and a last name on the back. These trace boards are lightweight but sturdy and can be transported easily with the trace board carry bag. Boards include the wooden stylus. Additional styluses are available in sets of 5. Teach or learn anywhere with trace boards.